Machine has 18-inch swing by 40-inch centers. It has a ProtoTrak SLX control, which is a Windows-based control. Machine does have the advanced feature and tracking and network options. We're at 350 in the high. Machine also has the star indexable turret through the control. Steady. 600 RPM. It goes up to 2,500 RPM. That's 1,200 RPM. Machine's nice and quiet. All right, putting in the low range. Machine also has a steady rest and tailstock. Tailstock's number 5 Morse taper. Right now we're in the low. 200 in the low. 400 in the low. Okay. He's rapiding it through the joystick. You can see that the control acts as a digital readout as well. So you have 18.5 inch of max swing, 40.2 inches center, and that cross slide does travel 13 inches. He's using the hand wheel option, and you can actually change the resolution. Okay. And we're going to index the turret. All right, indexing the turret. Great. And your tailstock is moving the quill in and out manually, and it is a number 5 Morse taper. All right. Thank you for watching our video.